In this video, I'll show you how to change your name quickly in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. Make sure you are signed into the account where you want to change the name. If you are not logged in, tap the profile icon and sign in using your usual method, such as TikTok, Google, Apple, Facebook, or email. Once you are on the CapCut home screen, tap your profile icon. This is usually found in the bottom menu or in the corner of the screen, depending on your app version. Now look for your current name or username at the top of your profile page. Tap on it or tap Edit Profile if that option appears. This will open the section where you can update your account information. Next, tap the Name field. Delete your old name and type the new name you want to use. Make sure the spelling is correct, because some apps may limit how often you can change your profile information. After entering the new name, tap Save, Done, or the check mark to confirm the change. Your updated name should now appear on your CapCut profile. If the name does not change right away, close the app completely and open it again. You can also check your internet connection, update CapCut, or sign out and sign back in. If you signed in through another platform, like TikTok or Google, your display name may sometimes be linked to that account. In that case, update your name on the connected account as well, then reopen CapCut. And that's how you quickly change your name in CapCut. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.